Don't tell your dream. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Haven't earned $1 million yet, but I'm aiming for the sky. One day I'll fill a stadium, watch the crowd multiply. Talking about my hard work, now they're watching every move. This next step is just a warm-up, got a lot more to prove. Secure my position, now my partners are impressed. Used to stress at the starting line, now I'm chasing nothing less. Work smart, not hard, that's how the maximum is made. Got local currency for now, but the dollar's on the way. I cannot forgive betrayal, that's the line I won't erase. I don't need the fame, just the power and the place. Competitors chasing numbers, ready, set, go, start the race. I'm running too, but with patience, keeping steady pace. Got a mentor by my side, that's the way it's meant to be. Against the crowd we stand out heavy, they can clearly see. Focused on results, never begging for attention. Built our foundation in the streets with pure intention.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dream. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Haven't earned $1 million yet, but I'm aiming for the sky. One day I'll fill a stadium, watch the crowd multiply. Talking about my hard work, now they're watching every move. This next step is just a warm-up, got a lot more to prove. Secure my position, now my partners are impressed. Used to stress at the starting line, now I'm chasing nothing less. Work smart, not hard, that's how the maximum is made. Got local currency for now, but the dollar's on the way. I cannot forgive betrayal, that's the line I won't erase.
Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. 2 for 2, man. 2 streams for 2. Interesting. Very interesting. 2 streams for 2. How are you guys? How are you? How are you? If anyone is watching. Hello, hello. Hope you're having a good day or a good morning. I too am having a good morning. That's weird. Something has just disappeared over here. Anyway, all right. Yeah. Just taking up is 4 hours high. It seems price is, we are at the psychological level, bro skis. All right, we are trading at the psychological level, boys and girls. Yesterday was a bloodbath. All right, yesterday we were swimming in a bloodbath, and it was real. The bloodbath was real, and seems as if it's gonna continue. God damn it. So just taking out this new hourly candle that is printing, taking out the 1 hour. Is it gonna hold after taking out this liquidity? Well, I don't think so. I do not think so. This bearish momentum, the bearish momentum is real. The bearish momentum is real. On the 30 minutes, we are tapping this demand, but the demand seems not to be working since this demand is newly formed. Price has decided to come for everyone. Oh, look at that. Just tapped into this supply and the bloodbath continues. Oh, look at the selling pressure, people. What is with this selling pressure? What is with this selling pressure? What do you think, guys, is gonna happen? What do you think is gonna happen? There's this setup here. Never took it. I was not around. There's this setup there. So for now, we're just gonna wait for this candle to close. The 1 hour candle, I mean. Oh, look at that. There was this setup here. Never took a chance on it. There's a setup here from just inside that. Damn. So for me to check this setup, what do I need to see? I need to see my sell model. So what is my analysis in short? What am I doing? What is my analysis? I've already analyzed the markets. And it has taken a little bit of some, I haven't talked much. But for me, I've already analyzed the charts, okay? How have I analyzed these charts? By simply looking at the market. What have I done? From the daily, started from the daily, where I mentioned the bloodbath, the market is on a selling spree. And I mentioned the psychological level. At this particular point, we are trading below it. And yesterday we closed below the psychological level. So this price, the next key psychological level that it may aim for, this is a minor psychological level. This is a minor psychological level, 3900. Another minor psychological level, 3800. 3800. Yeah, those are some minor psychological levels. But another major psychological level will be 3500. This is another major psychological level. Price may actually come to these levels. May. But for now, the psychological level, the minor psychological level price may actually aim for is that 900. All right. We may look to take out this week, take out these lows. Maybe these lows have some buy orders over here. We never know. Maybe that's where the institution and the banks are looking to take out their selling pressure. All right, the way we saw this level here, price came into this level, we took it out, and then we saw this. Many may say these are turtle soup or whatever, turtle something, but for me that is not the case. Damn. This setup is the setup here, but is not confirmed. There is a sell setup here, but not confirmed. Reason being, I do not have a buffer. I'm just looking at the charts. It has not been confirmed. Reason being, there is no buffer for me. Anyway, let me just continue with what I've just analyzed. So I'm looking for this psychological level for price to at least come to that level. Going on to the 4 hour, what am I looking in the 4 hour? I'm generally looking at the market structure. What is the market structure? What is the market showing me? The market is showing me that we are still pushing lower, lower and lower. This demand did not stand a chance. This other demand did not stand a chance, or order block, whatever you call it. And we may come in and target this demand, which is aligning perfectly with the 3900, the psychological level that we are talking about. All right, so my buyers from the daily and the 4 hour is being confirmed as sells. Getting on to the 1 hour. The 1 hour now. Oh, also on the 4 hour, I'm considering the previous candle high and the low of the previous candle. Okay, those are some other things that I'm considering. So we saw this price in the market open, we took out this high, and then we are seeing what is this? This is a swing, a liquidity grab. All right, not a liquidity sweep. I remember we did that confirmation yesterday. What liquidity grab and liquidity sweep? Wow. So these are just took up the highs of this previous candle, and you're seeing that. And so yeah, that is what we are observing. We're just making observation in this market. On the 1 hour, just mark the previous 1 hour and the previous 1 hour high and low, and I look at the market structure when it is zoomed in. And as I'm looking at this, I am applying my strategy where you see this drawing, this sort of drawings that are coming in. See, now what am I seeing now? I'm seeing that us taking out this low, we are more likely to do a liquidity grab or a liquidity sweep from taking the previous hour lows. And then I go to lower time frames. I look and I see price is trading inside this newly formed demand, and I know for me to now, I'm getting now confirmation. Yes, I know it is a sell, but for me to get a sell setup, what do I need? I need to at least see a break of this demand so that I can confirm a sell setup. I go on to the 15 minutes. I see it is the same case. We are sitting inside a demand. But as I look, I see a newly formed demand did not hold price. Meaning what? What does this tell me? This is the selling pressure, meaning this older demand that was formed before this one is more likely to be broken. Why? This one did not properly, talking about this demand here, this demand here did not properly do its work. It has been run through, or it has been mitigated. Right, so it's confirming selling pressure, meaning also this 30-minute demand is not really gonna hold. As you can see on the 30-minute demand, we are currently trading at the equilibrium of it. Equilibrium meaning at the midpoint of this demand here. Now I head to the 3 minutes. Here I come in here to confirm setups. All right. Here I come in to confirm our setups. This is a sell model that has been confirmed, but I don't like it. Reason being, I lack what is known as a buffer. All right, and the buffer is very important. What do I mean? A buffer is simply what I was talking about here yesterday. Yesterday I was talking about a buffer. So yesterday setup was confirmed, but there was no buffer. All right, so what I saw was selling here would be risky, but again I came and noticed what equal lows. The equal lows that I noticed them, I saw that once we take out the equal lows, we are going to form a supply which is going to act as our buffer, so we may enter the trade before the buffer forms. So, and I'm looking and I'm seeing, is it the same case as here? Are we seeing the same lows, equal lows? It is hard to tell. Yeah, it is so hard to tell. Yeah, I'm seeing some equal lows, but they are not been confirmed yet. All right, these are some of those equal lows. These are some of the equal lows. Equal lows, okay. Equal lows. Have they disappeared? Alright, price is taking out the lows. But are we forming a buffer? No. No buffer is being confirmed. So risky. Such a risky trade. So no need for you to. I'm not looking forward to risk my business on that. On this trade. There's also this trade here, but I lack a buffer. That's the thing. For me, if I lack a buffer, I'm just gonna sit out the trade. I lack a concrete buffer. I know if I go to the lower time frame, I'm going to get one. Yeah, you see, I'm getting a buffer here, but I don't trade anything below here. You see, I know there is a buffer on the lower time frame, but I don't trade the lower time frame. So this one is also gonna be another missed trade. I know. But rules are rules, man. It is even here. Why take the risk? No buffer, no strategy. Is it worth it? It is here. Why take the risk with no buffer or with no strategy? Okay, it is part of my rules. Even if the setup has been confirmed, no buffer, no setup, no taking the risk, I mean. And even if there's a buffer on the low, no, because a lack of buffer means the trade can go either way. So I'm just gonna leave that trade there. That's a white trade, meaning it is a missed trade. The reason I did not take this trade also was because I was not around. All right, this trade I did not take because I was not around. I know market open. I was not around this time. I was doing some things. I'm adjusting some things, and yeah, I'm trying to adjust some things. All right. Oh, you see? I know it can go either way. Anyway, I'm just gonna wait. For now, what I'm waiting for is a sell model to appear to execute on the 3 minutes. That is what I'll be waiting for. Oh, you see? What is price now doing? Price is forming a new demand. No buffer, no trade, bro. Let's see in the closure of this hourly candle what it will give us. Also, we are taking out these lows. This may be a liquidity grab or a liquidity sweep, or a liquidity run. Let's just wait. So this for me, no trade. Okay, no trade for me. So I'll be waiting for a sell model to appear. For now, what it looks like, because of taking out these lows, the previous hour low, price is doing that liquidity grab. Also, we are trading inside this demand. So you see this demand is holding price. Okay, the demand is holding price, and straight to stop loss. Look at that. If you are taking this trade, patience, please. right, I am seeing I was anticipating for a buy setup here with the market, but we never got to that position, so yeah. But on the 15, it is cooking something, but I don't like what it is cooking. It is doing something, but I don't like what it is doing. Anyway, for now, just wait. So there's this setup here. There is a setup here. But I'm not willing to risk. Yeah, there's that setup. I'm not willing to risk my business on that setup. Yeah, you see, it has given full take profit. The reason for the setup is simple. What we are doing, we are retesting this level here. Okay, that's the reason for the setup. But I don't like the setup. Why? No buffer, so no need to risk my business on that. I don't have a buffer for this setup. That's why I don't want to take it. It is a fairly good setup. This is a fairly good setup, but I'm not willing to risk my business on this setup. Setups will come. So that's the questions now remains. Are you going to take this setup? No. This setup has been invalidated. The buy setup. But let me look at it again. I want to look at it again. Yeah, it is a good setup. I'm gonna take this. Matter of fact, I'm going to take it now. Where's that? So I'm in that buy position. I'm in the buy position. The reason why I took the setup, let me show you the reason why. But I'm going to take very low risk setup. I don't like it more than you guys think. I don't like it. Very low risk setup. Yeah, I don't like this setup. It's gonna be a very low risk setup. Very low risk setup. Very low risk setup. Very low risk setup. Very low risk. Ooh, you see? Very low risk setup. The reason why I'm taking that setup is because this demand is still holding the 30 minutes, the 15 minute also is still holding. The 15 also is holding. The one thing that I don't like about this setup is because price may come and take out this liquidity from the previous hourly, and we may be caught into that as the price is pushing down. So this is a very low risk setup, and I'm going to be closing this setup if a candle closes inside this demand. Okay, if this candle in the next 9 seconds close in that demand, I'm out of this position. Yeah, I'm gonna be out of this position, guys. I'm out of this position. Out of this position. The setup has been mitigated. What do I mean? It is no longer viable. So I'm just gonna be out. What? What is happening? God damn it. What is happening? Something is happening to my stream. So I'm out of this position, guys. I'm out of this position. I'm so out of this position. Out of this position. You see, I am out of that position. No trade for me. The reason why I'm out of this position is because we closed inside this demand, alright? Which violated the setup. Is my mic on? Yeah, my mic is on. So for now, what am I waiting for? For now, I am waiting for now I'm just waiting for the market to settle down. There's just a lot of the market is looking I'll go to the original plan. Which I don't think it will happen now. So the original plan was waiting for this demand break. If I don't have a demand break, because the reason why I'm out of that position is because we closed inside this demand, and this price, the way it pushed from this level, we may look to take out these lows. So what I'm gonna wait for is I'm gonna wait for something to happen here. What is happening? Something is happening with my internet. It is dropping. The quality is dropping. The quality is dropping. The quality is dropping. Alright, if a setup is confirmed here, I'm gonna get in for another buy. If it is not confirmed, well and good. My stream is dropping frames. I'm getting this error. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. I'm getting that error. All right, our break-even trade, was it a break-even? Has gotten to take profit. So I closed this trade at this particular position there. It's getting to the take profit. Just smash the take profit. I'm looking at something here. All right. Also, the reason why I don't stream is because of I'm trading a funded account, okay? Trading a funded account, they have some rules where they say no copy trading. And but unless I know what someone prop firm they are trading, it's going to be so hard for me to know. So yeah, that's why I've not been live streaming. Stop loss was there. So this was a small stop loss. This thing is lagging, so lagging. Say hi in the chat if you are there. Or was it me? Yeah, we are lagging a lot. We have some AUD news coming in. Bro, this thing has frozen. This chart are frozen, man. My charts are frozen. So there's a buy setup there. So I'm taking a buy setup here. Well, my charts are frozen. What is happening to these charts? FXCM, they usually have this problem where their market just freeze. Or is it trading view? No, it is not trading view. Trading view charts are good. The FXCM charts are the ones which are frozen. Do you look at that? So my internet is bugging, man. Oh shit. Sorry God. Sorry Jesus for sorry. Market are frozen. Oh, my internet is frozen also. So I was taking a buy position from this area. And I think I'm going to be stopped out. If I get stopped out of this position, I am done for the day, for the night. Oh, my internet is done. My internet is done for. My internet is done for. There's things that are happening which I do not. So the markets are frozen on the FXM. So guys, I think I'll be seeing you another day. Yeah, I think I'll be seeing you another day. Have a lovely one. But I don't think the paper stone markets are open or are closed. Oh my. Anyway, I'm in this buy position here. I'm in that buy position, which was executed somewhere here. I'm in that buy position. I'm not sure whether you guys are going to see that. And I think it is gonna hit stop loss. Anyway, that is to do a recap. There was some sales set up here. Short position from this area. I never took a chance to take them. Reason being, there was no risk. There's this long position here. A long position from this area. But we closed inside this demand, meaning the setup was invalidated. So I got out with a small stop loss with no profit. Took this other buy here and it has hit the stop loss. It is now hitting stop loss. This has been taken out. I'm out in this buy position here. What else? My internet is bugging out. Yeah, my internet is bugging out. All right. So I am done for the session. 2 trades and I am out. 1 small stop loss. The second full stop loss. I was aiming for these highs. Maybe we get into this level. Poor analysis. So these things, also another thing is that I changed my buyers mid trading. I was to look for sell setups, but now I changed my buyers mid session. All right. So if I am to look for a setup again, I will just wait for the break of this demand, and wholeheartedly will be selling. If I was to take a trade, I will look for the break of this demand and for my setup to play out. If I was to look for a setup. But now 2 trades and I am done. I am done for the session. And yeah. The market is behaving weird. Anyway, that is it, man. And I see you. Oh, these still frozen, man. They're still frozen. Still frozen there. The market is still frozen. So if you want to take a trade, here is a trade for you. If you have a risk appetite, this is a trade for you. If you really want to take a trade, that's a trade for you. So you wait for the break of this demand, take this one to the downside. Anyway, for me, on my side, I'm done, man. These markets are weird today. This is frozen. Pepperstone is still running. My internet is poor. Anyway, guys, I am done, man. I am so done. See you when you see me. Happy trading, guys.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Haven't earned $1 million yet, but I'm aiming for the sky. One day I'll fill a stadium, watch the crowd multiply. Talking about my hard work, now they're watching every move. This next step is just a warm-up, got a lot more to prove. Secure my position, now my partners are impressed. Used to stress at the starting line, now I'm chasing nothing less. Work smart, not hard, that's how the maximum is made. Got local currency for now, but the dollar's on the way. I cannot forgive betrayal, that's a line I won't erase. I don't need the fame, just the power and in a place. Competitors chasing numbers, ready, set, go, start the race. I'm running too, but with patience, keeping steady pace. Got a mentor by my side, that's the way it's meant to be. Against the crowd, we stand out heavy, they can clearly see. Focused on results, never begging for attention. Built our foundation in the streets with pure intention.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile, but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile, but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dream. Don't tell your dreams to everybody around. Some people smile, but wanna see you down. Keep it quiet, don't make a sound. Let your success be what shakes the ground.
Don't tell your dreams to everybody around.
Du bist gut genug.